everyone. So today's vlog, we're going on a field trip. Bye, Dad. I will. So this will be pretty epic. I think I'm just gonna turn this into a channel where I just upload my life and stuff. I need to stop doing that. Okay, bye everyone. All right, everyone. Headed to the Green Giant. The Green Giant being my car. We're driving to school. That's the destination. After that, we're going to the zoo. I need to put mascara on. Why? Not to impress anyone. Because you look super sick. I don't normally do makeup. As you can tell, I'm an amateur makeup skills. The only time I do makeup is theater. Shocker. Couldn't tell I'm a theater kid, could you? I'm just kidding. Because oops, this group. Okay, I look like hella chop, but you know, I'm a little mysterious. Hus. I don't have hus, gang. Everything I just said to them, freaking blah. Okay, but weekend, I'll introduce you guys to my friends. I say you guys if I have any subscribers. I have 0 subscribers. Big ol' fat goose egg. Anyways, yeah, I'll introduce you guys to my friends. Yeah. Alright, see you at school. It's right, I'll stop. 10 years to get in the car. Oh.
Say hi to the vlog.
That's my brother. He's kind of an.
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi.
Hey, vlog!
Oh, brother. Say hi.
I didn't like that.
I'm sorry, vlog.
Bro. Hi to the vlog, everyone.
Oh wait, I'm gonna have the same phone in a week.
Wow.
Wait,
That's
it's the iPhone 17 Lavender.
No. I do not have a 17.
That's like that.
Yes, we're vlogging today. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, today we're vlogging. We're vlogging our field trip, everyone. It'll be so cool. I say to my 0 subscribers, everyone, this is gonna be lit. Yay!
Bro.
Bro. Would you rather?
Yeah, what would you rather? Yeah, bro, because I could be.
I got that on camera.
I know.
I don't have subscribers, but people aren't going to subscribe just because of that.
Everyone, we're at the zoo now.
Are we ready?
Yes.
We're gonna see our kind, the monkeys.
Yes, we're going to the monkeys.
Hey, my dad, he came back.
Fine, but it's okay. He's just numbered.
That was unfortunately caught on camera.
You're saying that was optional yesterday?
Yeah, that was an optional statement and no one asked for that.
But anyway.
Those got a twister. Whoa.
Bang. Whoa.
I did ASMR yesterday.
I'm so good at ASMR, it's not even funny. I gotta start now.
What was that?
Not disgusting.
Why are you being freaky right now? Okay, I'm uncomfortable. Secret tunnel.
It's where the
This is the tunnel out of the Wedo.
this tunnel out of the way. This is the underground railroad.
The underground.
Bro, Harry, where are you?
No. Ew.
Bro, and then you have freaking Luke.
Oh my God. Did you just say that out loud?
Unapologetic.
If you're not built like the Twin Towers, you're not built like the Twin Towers, don't call my number. Don't call me. Don't call me.
And on the plane, flying in between them, if you know what I mean.
Anyone else just hear that? I don't know these people.
Hit it on, and we're gonna get it on.
What? Hey everybody, say hi.
I'm kidding. I'm not gonna.
Oh, that just blinded me. Did you get blinded too? Was that? Oh, it's that light right there. Oh my God.
Bro, now I see dots.
I see.
One of them has to be again. Sorry.
I can smell colors and hear lights.
I can smell. Oh. Do you have synesthesia too? I have synesthesia.
I does not concern herself with the snow.
Oh, she's like, I made an appearance and I'm done.
Why is he looking? There's another one. I just realized.
Oh, there's another one.
Whoa.
Bro's looking directly at the camera, bro.
Wait, why is he low-key?
So cute.
Hey, they're black like us.
That's not the bright black.
I'm sorry.
Look, Mr. Carlson would love them because they're black.
Mr. Carlson loves these bears.
The bear. No, it looks like it's like gonna listen to music. So it's gonna listen to The Cure.
The Cure.
The Cure and cry.
Well, I really want. Sorry, I really want to
That
see a
one kid
baby.
was crashing out. He's like, bro, there ain't no baby.
It's a dead rat.
Actually going to see dolphins
Cooking
and
roadkill
oh,
up in here.
we're actually going to see dolphins, guys. And fun fact about me, I hate dolphins. Like, I really hate them. Like, I'm terrified of dolphins. Like, I don't like them. And dude, I don't want to. Dolphins. If I see a dolphin out in the wild, it's on sight. I don't like them. Ashwagandha. Okay, guys.
You're my friend, you're my brother.
You're my brother. You're my brother. You're my brother.
I still don't know what it
You're
means.
my brother. You're my brother. I'm swimming in here. Me too. Okay, everyone, what do we think of the zoo?
I love the zoo, except I didn't see my family members, but it's okay.
Did anyone hear this guy?
I didn't see too many family members.
We didn't see any monkeys, so. Well, I looked in the mirror and I saw one, so
I
that's
saw one
good.
today, so that's kind of fun.
Yeah, they were low-key like inside, but apparently they brought snow to them and they liked
Low-key
it.
the real
Loki
monkeys.
and Uncle Tom's
Yeah, low-key
cabin.
the real monkeys were the friends we made along the way.
I was about to say that!
The real.
The monkeys were the friends we made along the way. Well, that's it for the vlog. I'll post this later, maybe.
Ladies, I like it. Ladies.
Why are you touching me right now?
Oh, she's 18. I'm kidding.
Whoa! Someone do something! Well, I'll post this later.
Do something.
Goodbye, everyone. The monkeys. Maybe we will get to see our family.
Throw you a spot, and it's just this.
Bro, I know a spot. Yo, wait, I think it is the monkeys. I hear them making noise and stuff.
home, everyone. So this is my room.